Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 15th of April 2025. The US Dow Jones increased 0.78%, settling the day at 40,524.79, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 16,831.48, increasing 0.64%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 34,387.76 and Hang Seng is trading at 21,603.52. Gift Nifty is currently trading at 23,297.50, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII sold 2,519.03 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 3,759.27 crore in the last trading session. Large banks cutting deposit rates by 25 bits per second to hit savers. India to start discussing sector-specific trade talks with US. Now talking about global aspects, China's exports saw over 12% in March despite trade war, imports decline. China halts export of key metals, magnet as trade war with US intensifies. WTI rose 0.1% to $61.53 a barrel, and Brent rose 0.2% to $64.88 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 99.59. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.21%, down. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. Indian stock markets bounced back strongly after the holiday, recovering from the losses in the last session. Investors were encouraged by the 90-day pause on an extra 26% tariff on India. There was also some short-term profit booking ahead of another market holiday on Monday. March inflation is expected at 3.6%, the lowest since last July, which raised hopes of a rate cut by the RBI. However, concerns remain about the US-China trade war, especially after China raised tariffs on US goods to 125%. Outlook for today: Nifty 50 recovered sharply after a volatile week, closing just 0.33% lower despite a 5% gap down last week. A strong Marubozu candle on weekly chart signals buying at lower levels, but India VIX is hovering near 20, indicating high volatility. The index trades below 21 and 55-day EMAs, showing weakness. Key support lies at 22,600 and 22,320, resistance at 23,100. Sustaining above this may trigger rally towards 23,500. Nifty remains a sell on rise market. Avoid aggressive longs until volatility cools. Bank Nifty has also posted strong candle on the daily chart. It is trading above the crucial 21-day and 55-day exponential moving averages, indicating short-term support. Key support is now placed at 50,400, which aligns with the 21-day EMA. A breach below this could lead to a decline toward 49,800. On the upside, the psychological resistance of 52,000 remains a major hurdle. Until this level is crossed decisively, further upside momentum is unlikely. The overall view remains cautious, and traders are advised to stay alert with key levels in focus. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, PIN, INOX Wind, Laurus Labs, HCL Tech, HDFC AMC. Bearish view: Astral, Muthoot Fin, Godrej Properties, Dalmia Bharat, Apollo Hosp. Trade of the day is bullish on Havells, buy at 1,532, stop loss 1,496. Target 1,596. Rationale: bullish reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.